Hello guys, today I'm opening the box of this air fryer, which is a Mother's Day gift to me, and I'm super excited to show you guys this air fryer. And we are going to make a lot of recipes using this air fryer. Hello foodies, welcome to Foodland. And as I showed you, the air fryer is just a gift for me on a Mother's Day. So I'm trying these new recipes here, and I'm so excited to show you and share these air fryer recipes. So tag along with me and enjoy this super tempting air fried bread pakora. Look at this, I have stuffed the leftover potato sabzi and get this air fried bread pakora. Super excited to eat this, and as you can see with this piece, right, would not make out whether it's deep fried or air fried. So let's get to the healthier version of it. So enjoy this bread pakora with tea or breakfast, and let's check out the ingredients and let's see how to make this. Okay, let's get started. I have 1 cup of gram flour, and let's add carom seeds, just a few pinches of carom seeds. Always make sure you crush the carom seeds just like so that it releases its flavor. You're going to add 1 tablespoon of oil, and from my spice box I'm going to add few pinches of turmeric, half a teaspoon of red chili powder, few pinches of baking soda, and half a teaspoon of salt. Salt to taste, I'm adding half a teaspoon of salt, and I also like some chatpata flavor, so I always add chaat masala, so I'm adding just half a teaspoon of chaat masala. So let's give that a good mix, and we are going to add water gradually so that we don't have the lumps in this batter. So mix water little by little. So this is kind of consistency we need to dip our bread. Air fryer, and not going to deep fry, but in traditional way you can deep fry the bread pakoras. So turn the heat on, and we'll preheat for 375 degree Fahrenheit, and then start. So let it preheat. Alright, so while my oven is preheating, air fryer is preheating, I'm going to get this bread pakoras ready. So whisk it one more time. I have whisked this for about 2 to 3 minutes. So it's a smooth batter here. So I'm going to show you a couple ways of doing bread pakoras. One is just simple bread pakora. Get any bread that you have. The stale bread is works better. So get that and just dip it keep it aside. The other way is you can get this 2 slices, like 2 cuttings of this bread, and I have this leftover potato sabzi, and I just crumbled the potatoes into small pieces. So I'm going to just stuff this in the bread. For that matter, you can add any leftover sabzi you have, or you can add a paneer stuffing if you would like. So just add it and make it like a sandwich. So press it gently, make sure the edges are sealed, just like so, and then dip it in the batter. That's it. And you see it's all covered. Just keep it aside again. So let me make all these stuffed potato sandwich bread pakoras, and once the air fryer is preheated, I'm going to put it in the air fryer. Okay, so my air fryer is preheated now. Let's open it. Okay, so I have added foil paper and added the pieces of the bread, and we are going to air fry this for about 10 minutes on 350 Fahrenheit. And look at this, guys. So delicious, so tempting recipe. This is bread pakoras in air fryer are totally ready here, and I'm dipping it in the tomato ketchup. So enjoy this pretty much oil-free snack. I made it in the air fryer, so I hope you like this recipe, and do not forget to subscribe and also like and comment if you really like this recipe. So I hope you will give this recipe a try, and I'll see you in the next video. Cut this into half. You see all 3 layers. Amazing. We didn't deep fry this recipe, but it still looks just the same. So I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Stay tuned for my next recipe, and till then, take care and goodbye.